Hello, let's talk about an important machine in the theater known as the diathermy machine. Diathermy machine is an electrosurgical machine that is used for cutting and coagulation. This makes surgery to be very fast and then it minimizes blood loss. I'm going to show you the diathermy machine. This is the diathermy machine. It has many parts. The first part is this generator, where the heat is being generated. It has a lot of buttons on it for regulation. One side is for cutting, the cutting and coagulation for the monopolar. Another side is for the cutting and coagulation for the bipolar. On the body, you also have the button where you on it and off it. You also have space where you plug in the active electrodes and the foot match. You have where you plug all this. So on the generator is where you have all the functional buttons. Where another part of it is the active electrode. We have two active electrodes. One is the monopolar active electrode and another one is the bipolar active electrode. Let's talk about the monopolar active electrode. This monopolar active electrode, as you can see, it has a hole where you can put the points. The points comes in various forms. Some can be round, some can be like needle. That's the type I have here now. Then for the cutting. Then on the body of this monopolar active, you have some button you can press. This yellow one, if you want to cut, you press it, steady press. If you want to coagulate, you press this one, the blue button. So when you are using this monopolar active electrode, you need to place the dispersive electrode. This is the dispersive electrode. You place it on the fleshy part of the patient. This dispersive electrode has both reusable and disposable ones. This is the reusable one. This is the reusable. You can reuse this one. Then the disposable is used and discard. So you place it on the calf, at the buttocks, at the back, just away from the heart and the fleshy part of the patient to make contact with the patient. But you have to be sure that where you're placing it, that it is not wet. That body part is not wet to avoid the electrocution. So the monopolar active electrode works hand in hand with the dispersive electrode. This one goes to the patient. When you cut and coagulate, the dispersive electrode will return the current back to the generator and it forms a sort of circuit. So I said that you use the monopolar for general surgery cases. The other one we talk about is the bipolar active electrode. The bipolar active electrode, you can see that is bifurcated. One is for active, one is for dispersive. Whenever you are using the bipolar active electrode, you don't need patient's pads or the dispersive electrode, because both the active and the dispersive is here together. So whenever you are using this bipolar active, you will use the foot match. You will match to cut and coagulate. You will now match, cut, coagulate. When you are doing it, you cut, you coagulate. So there is this. Whenever you are working on the brain, that's for neurosurgeons, for OMF surgeons, for plastic surgeons, they are the ones that usually use this bipolar active electrode. Primarily, this machine is a very important machine that every theater ought to have so that we will have safe surgery. Have a nice day.